This is the HYCHIKA 40-volt brushless cordless chainsaw. It comes with two 20-volt 4-amp-hour batteries, each with up to 27 minutes of use time. Automatically inject oil into the chain to increase the durability of the chain system. Chain brake. Eco mode. The maximum cut speed is 16 meters per second, which can cut universal trees or branches quickly. Auto tensioning chain system. The chain can be replaced and tensioned without any tools. Auto shutdown after 60 seconds.